Here's a story based on your provided bullet points, written in English with a live news anchor style. Sound of upbeat, optimistic news theme music fades slightly as the anchor begins. Anchor. Good evening, and welcome back. Tonight, we're not talking about politics or breaking news, but about something perhaps even more impactful on our daily lives. The quiet struggle many face with clutter, and the transformative power of decluttering. We all know that feeling. The overflowing closets, the cluttered countertops, the garage that seems to swallow everything whole. But for seniors, this can be particularly challenging, impacting not only their physical space, but also their mental well-being. Transition to a softer, more reflective musical interlude. Anchor. Tonight we introduce you to Helen, a vibrant woman who, like many of us, has accumulated a lifetime of possessions in her cozy home. She's lived there for over 30 years, a testament to a life rich with experiences and memories. But those memories, interwoven with the physical objects that represent them, have begun to feel overwhelming. Helen's home, once a comforting sanctuary, has become, in her words, a weight on her soul. The clutter, she confided, causes her stress, hinders her daily tasks, and even contributes to anxiety. This is a story not just about clearing out a house, but about reclaiming a life. Image of Helen, smiling warmly, appears on screen. Anchor. Helen's story is, unfortunately, a common one. Many seniors find themselves facing similar challenges. The accumulation of years, the difficulty of letting go of cherished items, the physical limitations that can make decluttering a daunting task, these all contribute to the problem. But the good news is, there's hope. And it begins, surprisingly, with small steps. It's not about a massive, overwhelming overhaul, but a gentle, manageable process of letting go. Transition back to a more upbeat, motivational musical segment. Anchor. We spoke with organizational experts, and they emphasized the importance of a room-by-room approach. Let's start with the living room, often the heart of the home. Helen, with our experts' guidance, tackled the magazines and newspapers, those stacks that accumulate over months, even years. Anything older than 6 months went straight to the recycling bin. Next, she addressed the throw pillows, replacing worn-out ones and donating the excess. The same went for decorative items, fewer, carefully chosen pieces, creating a feeling of spaciousness and calm instead of visual overload. And finally, unused furniture, potential tripping hazards, were either donated or carefully stored away. This alone made a significant difference. The living room, once a visual maze, now felt inviting and comfortable. Close-up shot of a neatly organized living room. Anchor. The kitchen, the next target, presented its own unique challenges. Expired pantry items, sadly, had to go. Unopened, unexpired food was donated to a local food bank, a small act of kindness that brought Helen a sense of purpose alongside the decluttering. Mismatched and broken food containers were replaced with uniform, easily manageable ones. The collection of mugs and cups, a testament to years of family gatherings and special occasions, was streamlined, keeping only those used regularly. And finally, scratched or worn-out cookware, a potential health risk, was replaced with newer, safer alternatives. Close-up shot of Helen smiling while organizing her kitchen drawers. Anchor. Then came the bedroom, often a repository of sentimental and unworn items. Clothes that no longer fit, or hadn't been worn in a year, found new homes through donations. Worn-out bedding and pillows were replaced, promoting a more restful sleep. Excess shoes, many in excellent condition, were also donated, and the unused costume jewelry, a collection of memories, was carefully curated, keeping only a few special pieces. Transition to a shot of a beautifully organized bedroom. Anchor. The home office presented a digital challenge. Old paperwork was digitized, and outdated bills were securely shredded, reducing the physical paper clutter significantly. Electronics and office supplies underwent a similar sorting process, donating or recycling items no longer needed. The transformation was remarkable. A once cluttered workspace became efficient and peaceful. Close-up of Helen using a scanner to digitize old documents. Anchor. Even the bathroom, a seemingly small space, benefited from this methodical approach. Expired medications were disposed of properly, and half-used toiletries were consolidated. Excess towels were donated or repurposed for cleaning, leaving only essential items. Transition to a shot of a clean, organized bathroom. Anchor. The most challenging area, perhaps, was the garage. It held a lifetime of tools, gadgets, and sentimental items. Broken or unused tools were discarded, while sentimental items, photographs, letters, and artwork were digitized, preserving memories without the physical weight of clutter. Close-up of Helen carefully handling old photographs. Anchor. And this is where the story truly takes a turn. As Helen decluttered, something remarkable happened. She wasn't just clearing out her house, she was clearing out mental and emotional clutter as well. The feeling of freedom, the peace, the sense of clarity she experienced, these were invaluable gifts. Her home, no longer a source of stress, transformed into a peaceful retreat, a true reflection of the calm and joyful spirit she embodies. Transition back to the anchor in the studio. Anchor. Helen's story reminds us that decluttering isn't just about tidying up. It's about reclaiming our lives, simplifying our routines, and creating space, both physical and mental, for what truly matters. It's a testament to the power of small steps, of letting go, and of embracing a more intentional, joyful life. Her journey is a powerful reminder that starting with one small decision to let go can lead to a profound sense of peace and freedom. This is a journey worth taking, no matter your age or circumstances. Thank you for joining us tonight. We'll be right back after the break. Upbeat news theme music swells and fades.